Hello guys, I welcome you all for the today's video. And today's video is about the data warehouse. So before that, let me introduce myself. I'm Lakshmi Vaibhavi NV, currently pursuing B in CSC AI at Shrivenkateశ్వర College of Engineering. So let's get into the topic. What is data warehouse? Before data warehousing, let me tell what is data warehouse. Data warehouse is nothing but the space or the place where you're gonna store your data. Means like in general, if you create a file in your laptop and you place all the data related to a specific topic, like if you uh, fill that or if you save all the data about your education in that file, it is called a data warehouse in a short. So this is data warehouse in general, but the data warehousing is a process of collecting and storing the data from the multiple sources and transforming into a format such as so that you can take the related information of any topics and you can make use of it for the better analysis and understanding of that topic. So going into the deep, what is data warehouse? So data warehouse, first thing is it's a centralized repository, nothing but you're going to collect the data from many multiple sources. Like if you want to create a chatbot, you want to first of all you need to have a data set, right? For example, if you want to create any online application, sorry, online website where this website is related to the clothing thing. Like if you want to develop that, you should be having the data of the customers. Means what types of patterns or what type of the cloth styles will is liked by how many types of how many customers. What is the percentage of those customers liking cloth texture, the cloth color. So all this data you should be having, right? You can't get it from a single source. You need to have data from multiple sources. Like if you, you take, you need to you need to have a data from like the major shopping website like Amazon, Flipkart. So this can be accessed to their access tokens. So from there, you're gonna collect our data. Like if you want to create any ML model, like we for the educational purpose, we'll go for a Kaggle data set. So we'll get all the data sets related to our content. Like second thing is subject oriented. So subject oriented means like randomly you cannot organize the data, right? It should be organized in a specific way so that it helps in a business in your project. Nothing but like the every information is organized in a standard way according to their subject. Like as I said, if you're creating a shopping website, the data is related to the customers and the products they are buying, then what is the sales rate on each product. These are the data are organized in a in a sequential manner. The second thing is non-volatile. The main characteristics of data houses, it's a permanent thing. There is no temporary databases, so that like there is no purpose of updating frequently those data warehouse. Second thing is historical data, mainly like if you want to create a project that has been developed earlier, you need to have the related information of that project to enhance the future of that project. So this provides the historical data for the enhancement of the project. So this is the two-tier data warehouse architecture. The first layer will be having the source layer, nothing but you're going to collect the data from the multiple sources. Then data staging, nothing but you're going to arrange in a standard manner. The first thing is in the data warehouse we can have different in a if you want to store the data in a small quantity or your data is not that large, you can go for the data marts. These are the different tools for organizing those data and for the analysis of those data. Nothing but we'll be having a reporting tools, then a lab tools, then data mining tools, then analysis tools. Next, what is data warehouse? In simple terms, data warehouse is a pool of data produces to support your decision making. Then it also acts as a repository for the current and the historical data. The guys, remember, it provides both current and the historical data. Next, historical data of the potential interest to managers throughout the organization. Next, we'll be having characteristics of the data warehouse. First is subject oriented. As I said, it will be organized in a subject wise, nothing but if you want to read a data about the customer, you'll get a data on that customer. It doesn't get, and it won't provide you the ambiguous data of all the things. Nothing but it doesn't clumps up all the data. It is organized way. Second thing is operational data. A data warehouse differs from the operational database in that most operational databases of the product orientation are tuned to handle the transactions that update the database, but the subject orientation provides the more comprehensive view of the organization. Next is integrated. I mean, it is, you know, it, as I said, it provides the data for the single topic. Like if you want a data of any shopping website, it's going to give the information related to that uh, shopping content. That it doesn't provide the information about your healthcare or about your mm, the other business. It doesn't provide you nothing, but it provides the information about the specific thing. Means a data integration is closely related to the subject orientation. Data warehouses must place from the different sources into a consistent format. Next is time variant. The main thing is it maintains both historical and the current data. They detect trends, deviations, long-term relationships for forecasting and comparison, leading to decision making. Every data house has a temporal quality. Time is one of the most important dimensions that all data warehouses must support. Data and it also provides data for analysis from multiple sources that contains multiple time points. So these multiple time points can be daily or it can be weekly or sometimes it can go for yearly wise also. Next is non-volatile. After data are entered into a data warehouse, users cannot change or update the data. Obsolete data are discarded. Changes are recorded as other new data. Next, what are the key components of the data warehouse? This is a data source systems. Data source systems are the original data sources of the data that will be loaded into the warehouse. This can include the transactional systems, web applications, social media platforms, and more. As I said, the Amazon, Google, Flipkart, these all maintain their own databases, which generally you won't get to access those data unless you get the access tokens. Next is ETL process. ETL process is responsible for extracting the data from the source systems and transforming into the format that can be loaded into the warehouse and then loading into the warehouse. So ETL is nothing but transforming or extracting the important data from the source systems and loading into your database. Second thing is data warehouse. So this is highly designed for the scalable and and performant to support the complex queries and analysis. Next, what are the benefits of the data warehouse? First is it helps in improve decision making because once you get to know its background of any project, you'll easily get to know, what are the improvements you can do from those data, right? So this provide helps in your decision making a bit, be more clear. It provides a comprehensive view of the business data, enabling the organization to make more informed decisions based on accurate and timely information. Second thing is enhanced reporting. Like once you get everything updated to your project, it's easy to enhance the features of your projects. Data Warehouse supports the creation of the detailed reports and dashboards that can be used to track performance, identity trends, and gain insights into business operations. Next is increased efficiencies. Data Warehouse can automate many reporting and analysis tasks, freeing up employees to focus on more strategic initiatives. Next is competitive advantage. Organization can leverage the data warehousing can gain a competitive advantage by making better decisions faster and by identifying the new opportunities for growth and the innovation. This is the simple view of dimensional modeling. The This is the data transformation process, nothing but how the data is been extracted from the source and how it is being loaded to your data warehouse or the database. First thing is extraction. The extraction, the phase involves retrieving the data from the source systems. This may involve acquiring the databases, reading files, accessing APIs. As I said, some of the APIs you won't get easily, you won't get access to it easily. So we'll go, the most common we use is a Kaggle. Next is loading the data. The loading phase, nothing but in ML we say it as training the data. Loading phase involves inserting the transformed data into the data warehouse. This may involve the bulk loading, the incremental loading, or a combination of both. Next is transformation. The transformation involves cleaning, converting, and aggregating. Cleaning is nothing but you are reprocessing the data. Only the important or the required information is being extracted from the extracted data. Then why? Because to ensure the consistency and prepare it for loading to your warehouse. Next, data cleaning steps in data cleaning. First is identity data. Next is fix structural mistakes. Set data cleansing techniques, filter the outliers and fix missing data. Like if any link has been missed between two data, so you're going to link up uh, between the missing between those two data. Next is implementing phase. Next, how you're going to maintain and optimize your data warehouse. First is performance tuning. How? By regular monitoring or by regular customer services or regular updation, you can maintain maintain your data warehouse. Third thing is data quality management. This process ensures the data quality such as data cleaning, like any unnecessary or unwanted data has been fed up to your data warehouse. You should need to have a check on it. Next is data validation. Next is data governance. Next is data refreshing, like day to day or weekly or monthly or yearly updating your data and nothing but refreshing your data with the new data or the latest data. You have you can maintain your data warehouse in a good manner. Third thing is scalability and capacity. So the scalability helps in your future growth. So scaling the warehouse infrastructure and capacity to accommodate the increasing data volumes and the user demands. So it also helps in robustness of your data warehouse. So that's it guys for the today's video, and yeah, thank you.